Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can fix messages that unfortunately are not sending on your iPhone. Before you start watching this video, dear friends, be sure to put your like, subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to write your comments. So let us get started with you. And if you're having the problem that for whatever reason, unfortunately, you're not sending text messages from your iPhone, then first I recommend that you open the Settings app. Then scroll down to the bottom, go to the app. Next, please find the message. Open the message and then scroll down a little bit further. Go to the section called Send Text Messages and make sure you have the option turned on at all. If it's unfortunately disabled, simply re-enable it and try texting again. If that doesn't work, then go back to the settings and please check your cellular connection to make sure it's in good condition. And also friends, I recommend you to turn on airplane mode for a while, and after 30 seconds, just turn it off. This will help your cellular connection, so to speak, to reboot and upgrade. If that doesn't help either, then I recommend you reboot your iPhone. To do this, you can go to the General section, scroll to the bottom, and here click on Shutdown. After restarting your iPhone, this problem may already be solved. Also, if unfortunately through various actions in the settings your problem is not solved, then contact your mobile operator or see if you have funds in your mobile account. Maybe because you don't have your tariff plan activated or because you don't have funds, you can't send messages. Dear friends, this is how you can try to fix messages not sending on iPhone. I really hope the video has helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.